Are you concerned about the impact of climate change on our planet and looking for ways to help combat it? Well, if we told you that there is a superhero in our midst that can help fight this battle, stick to the video till end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Hello everybody and welcome to Climate Crunch YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss a very important topic, that is the importance of trees in fighting climate change. In this video we will going to talk about the importance of trees in fighting climate change and the ways in which they can help us combat it. So what are the importance of trees in fighting climate change? Trees are like a superhero when it comes to fighting climate change. They help to keep our planet healthy by doing a few important things. Firstly, they absorb the carbon dioxide from the air, which is a gas that contributes to global warming. By doing this, they can help to reduce the amount of gas in the atmosphere, which helps to slow down the process of climate change. Secondly, trees absorb the pollutants from the air, which can be harmful for our environment and also the health. By doing this, they can help to keep the air clean and reduce the risk of respiratory illness. Finally, trees provided habitats for many different species and help to prevent soil erosion, which can lead to the landslides and other disasters. The second thing is how trees are the carbon sinks. So carbon dioxide is a gas that is released into the air when we burn fossil fuels like coal and oil. And when we do other things like car drives and trucks, this gas is a major contributor to the climate change. Trees are really good at taking in carbon dioxide from the air and using it to grow. They act like sponges, soaking up carbon dioxide and storing it in their trunks, branches, and leaves. The process of absorbing and storing carbon dioxide is called carbon sequestration. The next thing is trees in reducing air pollution. Trees are really good at absorbing pollutants from the air, like nitrogen oxides, ozone, and sulfur dioxide. These pollutants are harmful to our health and the environment. By absorbing them, trees help to keep the air clean and reducing the risk of respiratory illness. Additionally, trees provide shades and cool the surrounding areas, reducing the amount of energy needed to cool the buildings. This helps to reduce the amount of pollution that is generated by power plants that provide the energy for air conditioning. On the other hand, we have trees and biodiversity conservation. Trees play an important role in conserving biodiversity, which refers to the variety of plants and animal species in the given area. Trees provided habitat for many different species, from insects and birds to mammals and reptiles. They offer food, shelter, and nesting sites, which are essential for the survival of these species. Additionally, trees help to create and maintain healthy ecosystem by promoting nutrient cycling, soil formation, and water conservation. And now we have some tips for you that how to use trees to combat climate change. Number 1. You have to plant more trees. Trees absorb carbon dioxide from the air and store it in their biomass, helping to reduce the concentration of this greenhouse gas in the atmosphere. Planting more trees is one of the most easiest and most effective way to combat climate change. On number 2nd spot, we have protect the existing forests. Forests are the important carbon sinks, and if you protect them from deforestation, then you are going to combat the climate change. On number 3 spot, we have use wood products responsibly. As compared to concrete and steel, wood products have a lower carbon footprint than many other materials. Using these wood products responsibly, such as sourcing them from sustainably managed forests, can help to reduce the carbon emission. Number 4. Support reforestation initiatives. Many organizations are working on the reforest areas that have been deforested or degraded. Supporting these initiatives through donations or volunteering can help to reduce the climate change and preserve biodiversity. At the end, if we conclude our today's video, trees are incredibly important in fighting climate change. They act as carbon sinks, absorb pollutants, conserve biodiversity, and provide many other ecosystem services. By planting more trees, protecting existing forests, using wood products responsibly, and supporting reforestation initiatives, we can all do our part to combat climate change. And also, we can keep our planet healthy. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Climate Crunch YouTube channel for more exciting videos.